When disaster strikes, we need to move fast. It's those early moments following a disaster that are the most crucial. Whether it's a war or famine, a medical epidemic or a natural disaster, each decision made needs to support a rapid, impactful and efficient response. If we do this, we save lives. Throughout the past 70 years, we've been able to play this role in some of the world's most devastating disasters. We can do this by using the tools and gifts that God has placed at our disposal, reaching isolated communities in their time of need. When disaster brings hunger, we can bring in food. When disaster brings vulnerability, we can bring in shelter. When disaster brings sickness, we can bring in medicine. When disaster brings despair, together we can bring hope.